Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to restart your iPhone 14, and this is easy to do. Now, the first way to restart is to hold the power button on the side and then the volume up button. So if we hold this down, we're going to be presented this option where we can slide the power off. Just slide it off. Then we can hold down the power option right here, and then the volume down option. So let's do this, and it's going to bring us to the same screen where we can slide it to power off. Now let's log into my iPhone, and I will show you how to restart it through the system settings. So just on the home screen here, let's go to settings. Now go back to the main settings menu and scroll on down until we get to general. Then scroll on down to the bottom over here, and we have shut off. Then we can simply just slide this to the right, and this is going to turn off our iPhone. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.